Example. Suppose I ask you to construct truth table for not P or Q. Okay, very good. Not P or Q. So you might say, hey, this not belongs to P or this not belongs to P or Q. Guys, note that this is not P or Q. So this is the meaning of this statement, not belongs to P. This is different from not P or Q. This not negates P or Q, but this not only belongs to P. Just be careful when you're saying negation. Negation belongs to the statement P. Negation comes first. So I want to construct the truth table for not P or Q. The very first thing you should be asking is, how many simple statements do we have? Here we have 2 simple statements. What are those? One of them is P, the other one is Q. Not P is a new statement. It's what we learned as a compound statement, P, Q. So how many combinations do we get? So we have 2 to the second power. Here we have 2 statements. 2 to the second, or 2 times 2, or 4 combinations, or 4 rows. Okay, very good. Let's see how to build, how to construct our truth table for this new statement. So since we have 4 combinations and 2 simple statements, we're going to end up with 2 fixed columns at the beginning of the table. Let us begin. We have our table with P and definitely Q. Definitely Q. Just wait until we finish the rest of these together. So we have 4 rows, all right? Let's write them down. Then we're going to discuss the rest of it. P can be true. Q can be true. P can be true. Q can be false. We need to consider all options. We cannot skip anything. The first statement can be false. The second statement can be true. And finally, both of them might be false. For each scenario, we need to analyze the truth or falsity. So what goes as the third table? Hey, I know I need to have the negation of P. So I need to find the negation of P. Negation of P. Different color. Negation of P. Why is that? Because the negation of P play an important role here. Negation of P. So, okay, I already know what are the values for P. I just need to find the negation of them. The negation of P. P true. Just for a moment, forget about your Q. You don't need your Q right now. So I'm going to put something on Q to avoid any confusion. Not P. P is true, not P is false. P is true, not P is false. P is false, not P is true. P is false, not P is true. Okay, very good. So far, so good. Now what? Now I need to combine not P with Q. I need to combine not P with Q using OR. This is the next one that you're going to construct the column for. Not P or Q. Okay, so let me continue these lines. So you might be wondering, hey, since you are combining not P, Q, do you actually need P? We don't actually need P. We can just ignore P, because in the last column or in the compound statement that you try to construct the truth values, there is no P. You actually have not P. So forget about the very first column. Forget about this to avoid confusion. You're just combining not P or Q. False or true. Well, okay, I don't remember the table. I don't remember the values. Take a look at your notes. Recall that. The original truth table for or, if I have two statements, if I have, for example, A, B, A or B, this is what I learned. I learned if my first statement is a true statement, my second statement is a true statement, true or true is true. If my first statement is true, the second statement is false, true or false is also true. If my first statement is false, my second statement is true, false or true is true. And if my statements, both of them are false statements, then I can conclude that their combination is false. So false or false is going to be false. This is what I know. This is what I memorized. Now I'm going to apply what I learned before here, right? Okay. So take a look. It says, hey, I'm combining false, true using or. False or true. Hey, false or true is true. Hey, I know it is true. False or false. Guys, take a look at the order that I'm pointing at. Not P comes first. So false or false. Take a look at your table. False or false is always false. Very good. True or true. True or true using or is always true. True or false. True or false result in true. This is the truth table for this statement here. Table for not P or Q.